In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a domain redirect in GoDaddy. If your domain is sending visitors to the wrong site, or you simply don't need the forwarding anymore, removing that redirect is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for inside your GoDaddy account. First, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your domain portfolio. This is the main dashboard where all of your domains are listed. If you have several domains, take a second to confirm you're looking at the right one, especially if the names are similar. Getting into the habit of double checking here will help you avoid making changes to the wrong domain. Once you're in your domain portfolio, click directly on the domain name you want to manage. Don't worry about any side icons or extra menus, just click the actual domain name itself. This will open the domain settings page, which is where you control most of the key options for that domain, including DNS and forwarding. On the domain settings page, look toward the top for the DNS tab. Go ahead and select that. The DNS section is where your domain's technical routes are configured, and that's where GoDaddy keeps the forwarding controls as well. After you click DNS, you'll see a sub-menu. From there, choose forwarding. This is the area dedicated specifically to redirects and forwarding rules. In the forwarding section, you'll see any active redirects that are currently set up for your domain. Take a moment to find the exact destination URL you want to remove. If you have multiple forwarding entries, carefully match the URL so you don't delete the wrong one. This is especially important if you're using different redirects for various purposes, like separate pages or subdomains. Once you've identified the correct destination URL, look to the right of that entry. You should see a trash can icon, which represents delete. Click the trash can icon next to the forwarding entry you want to remove. This tells GoDaddy that you no longer want that redirect to be active. After clicking the trash can, GoDaddy will usually ask you to confirm that you want to delete the redirect. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental changes. When you see the confirmation prompt, click delete to finalize your choice. At this point, the redirect is removed from your domain settings. Keep in mind that changes to domain forwarding may not be instant everywhere on the internet. In many cases, it updates fairly quickly, but it can take a little time to fully clear from caches. If you still see the old redirect right away, wait a bit and then test your domain again in a fresh browser window or an incognito tab. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a domain redirect in GoDaddy by opening your domain portfolio, choosing your domain, going into DNS, selecting forwarding and deleting the unwanted entry.